Samsung. What have you done with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing well. Some good news and some bad news for Galaxy S22 Ultra owners and the one who are looking to buy Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung is sending update to more and more countries with time with March security patch. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra battery life is kind of a question mark for now, and some night video recording that will shock you guys. Samsung is rolling out an update for Exynos powered Galaxy S22 Ultra, where we see a couple of European countries get this update and some of them will get this update in the future. The eligible countries include France, Ireland, Portugal, Poland, and more. You can check on your phone by go to settings and software update. Why you should update? Well, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos variant has issues and Samsung claims to fix these issues with a software update. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, do you guys own Exynos variant or Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 variant of Galaxy S22 Ultra? Although Samsung is breaking records in sales of Galaxy S22 Ultra, but people are not happy with the performance of Galaxy S22 Ultra, and cherry on top, Exynos 2200 is performing worse compared to Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. While running the test by XDA developer, the first benchmark is where Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 beat Exynos 2200. The conclusion of their test was, the Exynos 2200 experience is almost equivalent to using a budget device, with everything taking a second longer than expected from a top tier flagship. But the question is, either they use the updated one software or not, because my subscriber says their issues were fixed after the update. Golden Reviewer on his official Twitter account runs some tests on both S22 Ultra and gives some conclusion. Talking about the battery, almost every task Galaxy S22 Ultra both performed the same standby time, where Exynos 2200 drained 15% and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 drained just 4% after 11 hours. Talking about the power consumption, XDA test shows that Exynos variant and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 drained 11.84 watt and 7.76 watt respectively. That is a massive difference in power consumption and shows how inefficient the Exynos chipset can be. This means that in long-term usage, the Exynos 2200 device will have reduced battery life when under load. Golden Reviewer running a test on Galaxy S22 Ultra night video. To my surprise, Galaxy S22 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 outclassed both Exynos 2200 and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But why Samsung just need another processor? Just go with a single processor that will benefit all, because every consumer is paying same amount of money for those devices. Worst case, he tweeted a screenshot of PUBG Mobile, and look at that, only high settings on Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos 2200. Although Samsung put this processor as a gaming chipset, but it is getting worse because of its optimization. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, do you guys own Exynos variant or Snapdragon variant of Galaxy S22 Ultra? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.